Log in to the FusionSolar app as installer. Scan the WLAN QR code on the ESS. Log in to the local commissioning screen as installer. Set the login password as prompted at the first login. Scan the WLAN QR code on the SmartMGC5000B. Log in to the local commissioning screen as installer. Set country, region. Set network connection. Click Search to discover devices. Tap Plus to manually add third-party devices such as the meter. In a non-microgrid environment, you need to set the inverter SN list for M-bus networking. In the PV plus ESS scenario, you need to add an ESS. Set grid code based on the location. In the PV plus ESS scenario, you need to set the working mode. Only the SmartMGC5000B supports the microgrid scenario. The system automatically implements 4 checks. Tap Start Test to start a wiring test. Set Array Startup Shutdown as required. Exit the local connection. Scan the WLAN QR code on the SmartMGC5000B. You can import the basic plant information from Smart Design. If no plant scheme has ever been designed, enter the basic plant information as prompted. Tap Total String Capacity and enter the total string capacity of the plant. If multiple devices need to be connected to the same plant, tap Plus to scan the QR codes of the devices and add the devices one by one. Set the feed-in tariff, purchase price, and the currency for the plant.